Let's make capirotada, a popular dessert served during Easter time. We're going to start by making a syrup by boiling piloncillo, cloves, cinnamon, and an onion. Once that's dissolved, go ahead and strain it. We are using a sliced French baguette along with some aged cotija cheese. If you prefer a milder cheese, you can use like Monterey Jack. So my mother-in-law dips the baked baguette into melted butter, and then we're gonna layer on the toppings. So we are using some sliced bananas, raisins, peanuts, and the shredded cheese. She also likes to top it with sweetened condensed milk, and then just keep repeating the layers. You want to make sure that you keep adding the syrup so that way the bread gets nice and hydrated. And then when we cook the capirotada on the stove, it absorbs all that yumminess. So most people bake the capirotada. You can, but she prefers to steam it. I didn't film this part, but we just put the lid on and had it at a low simmer for about 30 minutes. If you prefer it crispier, you can warm it up in the air fryer, top it with some rainbow sprinkles, and enjoy.